After completing this lesson, you'll be able to create a storyboard, reuse an existing animation, and export a video of the animation. Continue from the previous exercise or open the F1 Car Animation 2 Fusion Archive file using the New Design from File tool. You might have to restore the animation workspace and then return the playhead back to the end of the animation timeline. Right now we have a decent disassembly video taking shape that is focused on the wheels and axles. What we really need is an assembly video focused on the wheels and axles, the opposite of what we have. To make an assembly video, we can right-click on the storyboard title in the very lower left and select Reverse. After a moment, all of the elements that are in the timeline will be reversed. Clicking play, we can see the bearings come together, the wheels slide onto the axles through the body, and then the other wheels onto the axles. Of course, we can take any of these events, change their location or duration. Now that we have the assembly video, we're going to publish it, taking the current storyboard, saving it as an animation to our project and/or to our computer. We'll save the file, and it will be published out as a video file. Now that that's done, I'd like to create a new storyboard. Clicking the icon next to the existing header, we can choose whether or not the storyboard will be a clean start or start from the end of the previous. For this one, let's select Clean. With the new storyboard created, let's rename it. We'll call it Exploded View. We'll be creating this storyboard in order to get an exploded view of the assembly suitable for generating a drawing of the car. Previously, we saw how the playhead could be moved to the scratch zone in order to not capture everything that was going on in the animation. An option for not capturing view changes is to simply stop capturing view changes by selecting the icon at the top. Now we can go through the process of expanding our model out using the same transformations. This time though, I may choose to take the wheels on the right side along with the axles, slide them out, maybe not take the same amount of care with the positions, just really trying to make sure I get a good clear view of what the assembly will be based on a single point of view that we'll use for our exploded view for the drawing. With this exploded view finished, we can simply save our file and remember where it is for creating our detailed drawing.